In SolidWorks, a pattern is a feature that allows you to replicate a selected feature or a set of features multiple times in a specified arrangement. There are different types of patterns available in SolidWorks. Entities that can be patterned are face, features, and body. This video will explain the types of patterns that are often used in SolidWorks. We start with circular pattern. Circular pattern replicates features around an axis of rotation in a circular arrangement. Any circular edge, circular face, an axis can be used as the pattern axis. Then, we select the entities for pattern. The next example shows the use of other entities as a pattern axis. The number of patterned entities, as well as the inclusion angle, can also be specified. The rotation direction of the generated pattern can also be determined by clicking this button. Next, linear pattern. This pattern replicates features in a straight line along one or more specified directions. For linear pattern, the patterned entities will be arranged in a line. Therefore, the pattern axis must be a straight entity. For the next direction as well. We can also specify the number of entities that are patterned for both directions. Next, curve-driven pattern. For curve-driven pattern, the entity to be patterned will be arranged based on the shape of the curve. The curve used as a direction is not necessarily straight. We can also specify the number of entities as well as the distance between entities. For the curve-driven pattern, like linear pattern, this also has two directions. Next, sketch-driven pattern. For the sketch-driven pattern, we start by drawing a point on the face where the result of the pattern is located. Then, using a sketch-driven pattern, select the entity to be patterned. The resulting pattern will be at the points that were sketched earlier. Next, I will explain how to skip some of the pattern that has been produced. Click on Instances to skip. A pink dot will appear on each patterned instance. Click on the dot to remove the instance. To recall the instances, re-click the dots. This method can also be used to skip instances for circular, curve-driven and sketch-driven patterns. You can try to skip the instances in the provided file. Good luck!